Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of fun and cozy fashion with a product that's perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your winter wardrobe. Introducing the DSKOBT Knitted Hat Women Winter Peruvian Cover Ears Pink Striped Beanie Hat Sherpa Hats Knit. A delightful piece that's not just your average winter accessory, but the best Despicable Me Edith costume you can find on the market. Crafted with care and creativity, this hat isn't just about keeping you warm, it's about making a statement. With its vibrant pink stripes and adorable ear flaps, it's like something straight out of the world of Minions.
Now, let's break down what makes this hat a must-have. First off, the design.
Those warm ear flaps aren't just cute, they're practical too, ensuring your ears stay toasty even on the chilliest of days. Made from soft knitted fabric, this hat is not only comfortable to wear but also provides that much-needed warmth during all your outdoor adventures.
Plus, with its adjustable sizing options, it's suitable for both adults and kids, making it a versatile choice for the whole family. So, whether you're channeling your inner Minion enthusiast or simply looking to stay cozy in style, the DSKOBT Knitted Hat Women Winter Peruvian Cover Ears Pink Striped Beanie Hat Sherpa Hats Knit has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay warm, stay stylish, and keep rocking those fabulous hats.